Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Power Loom versus Handloom. We'll explore their operational differences, efficiency, and the unique qualities of the fabrics they produce. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for appreciating the textile industry's diverse landscape. We will delve into how each method impacts production speed, cost, and the final product's aesthetic and tactile properties. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which weaving technique excels in different scenarios, helping you decide which is better for specific needs. Power looms are industrial machines capable of weaving fabric at incredibly high speeds, often producing hundreds of picks per minute. This efficiency makes them ideal for mass production, significantly reducing labor costs per unit. However, their complexity means higher initial investment and greater energy consumption. While excellent for standardized textiles, they offer less flexibility for intricate, custom designs, limiting the artisan's creative freedom. They also require more maintenance and specialized skills to operate and repair, contributing to overheads. Handlooms, operated manually, offer unparalleled artistic freedom, allowing weavers to create highly intricate and unique patterns. This method consumes minimal to no electricity, making it a sustainable and environmentally conscious choice. However, the production rate is significantly slower, often yielding only a few picks per minute, which translates to higher labor costs per item. The resulting fabrics often possess a distinct texture and character, valued for their artisanal quality and the story woven into every thread. Ultimately, deciding which loom is better hinges on your specific needs. For large-scale manufacturing, where speed, consistency, and cost efficiency are paramount, the power loom is the clear winner. Conversely, if your priority is unique artistry, intricate detailing, sustainable practices, and a connection to traditional craftsmanship, the handloom stands supreme. Both methods are invaluable, each serving distinct purposes and enriching the world of textiles with their unique contributions and beautiful fabrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.